Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join your Calendly meeting. First, open your email and locate the confirmation from Calendly. This important email contains all the necessary details, including your unique meeting link. Be sure to click this link about 5 to 10 minutes before your scheduled start time to ensure you are ready and on time for your discussion. Before joining, take a moment for a quick pre-meeting checklist. First, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable to avoid any interruptions. Next, test your microphone and camera to confirm they are working correctly. Finally, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This helps optimize your computer's performance for a smoother meeting experience. During the meeting, practicing good etiquette helps everyone. Remember to mute your microphone when you are not actively speaking to minimize background noise. Feel free to use the chat feature for asking questions or sharing relevant comments without interrupting the speaker. Most importantly, stay focused and actively engage with the discussion to make the most of your time. Encountering a small technical hiccup is sometimes unavoidable. If your meeting link does not load, a simple refresh of your web browser often resolves the issue. Always remember to check your spam or junk folder if you cannot find the initial confirmation email. Should persistent problems arise, do not hesitate to contact the meeting organizer directly for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.